I'm pooped. I'm finally finished. I polished the wheels. Now they look real shiny. Much better. Had to polish my pipes, exhaust, tires, fat boys on the back. I gotta polish these pipes and that's it for me. I'm pooped. Well, today I'm gonna replace both front brake pads with high performance ones. I also have to replace the old hardware because they're worn out because they're so old, and also the rubber bushings inside these holes. I have to replace all of those because they were worn and loose. So I got a rebuild package with all the rubber O-rings, the sleeves, and I also got brand new nice bolts to put in there so it takes out the play that was in there and it'll be tight again. Here's the old pads. They're still actually pretty good, but these are the new ones. I got all the parts and I'll be doing both sides. Look at my sway bar. Beauty, isn't it? With the eye-box springs. And I'll probably be greasing all these new ball joints that I put in there. Anyway, took off my wheel. At least I could get to clean the backs on these beauties up a little bit. Whoa. Your associated old RC gas truck. I gotta run that beauty one time. Sitting there forever. Anyway, that's what I'll be doing on the old Z next. Well, I got the new brakes in. Everything's together. I just gotta clean it all out. I want to clean it all up. Get all the debris out and wipe the dust off. Have it up on the jack still. Brake fluid. Got both of them done. So you want to get all this dirt off. Everything. But looks much nicer now. Just gotta clean it. Then I'll show you when it's cleaned. I did the interior, the old original interior the other day. Armor alled it. Ooh. There you go. Looks way better now. There's my keychain. Little piston on that beauty. Anyway. Alright, next step is the cleaning. I finished cleaning it. Looks much better now. So I just gotta do the other side and that's it. Got both sides done. Now all I gotta do is clean the backs of my wheels, bolt them on, and fill up the brake oil reservoir. Put everything on, I'll be good to go. Finished. Looks much nicer now. I also polished some of the stuff and cleaned the motor. Polished the chrome. All the chrome stuff. Looks way better. I hope it stops better with the heavy duty brake pads. Next I'll have to hook it up the battery, start her up, and then wax the whole car and she'll be done.